Hi, my name is Divya and welcome to Masking Mondays on my channel Beauty is Subjective. Today's video is about a hair mask that I love. It is Biotique's Musk Root Hair Mask. The mask kind of looks like mud in a jar, and the directions say to mix with either egg or yogurt and apply it to scalp and leave for 30 minutes. I personally mix it with both egg and yogurt. I take one egg and whisk it with a tablespoon or two of yogurt. Whisk it till it's really nice and smooth. And then to this, I go on and add a couple of tablespoons of the mask itself. The mask is chock-a-block full of herbs, and that's why it smells very herby and muddy. I do not mind the smell, but if you're not used to working with herbs and natural ingredients, it might bother you. It does smell like henna or mehndi. After having mixed it, it also looks like henna. I mix it till it's to a smooth consistency like I'm showing here in the clip right now. Onto the application. I know I look like I'm not wearing any shirt, but I am, and you'll see my tank top in a bit, so don't you worry about that. Muskroot is found deep in the Himalayas and has been called a divine herb. It is antibacterial in nature and promotes hair growth. The mask also contains 10 other herbs, some of which are bael, licorice, bringraj, nutmeg, neem, etc., which all together invigorate and rejuvenate the scalp while also adding strength. The combination of these ingredients is a super powerful punch of nourishment for your hair. This mask has been drying for my hair in the past, so this time I've oiled my hair before I apply it, and I also focus the mask only on my scalp because that's where I need all this nourishment to go to, because that's where our roots are. I make tiny or thin sections of my hair and I keep applying the mask to the scalp and rubbing it in. It's really nice and cooling and I love the feeling of it, and I really like the smell too because I've grown up working with henna all my life. From 3 months postpartum, hair loss kicked in big time for me. The hair I have on my head may be long and they look thick, but that is only because it's frizzy and or fluffy. The scalp is getting more and more visible due to me losing more than 200 strands of hair a day. So to help that, I started using this hair mask. When used consistently, it does help, but I sort of stopped using it, and now for Masking Monday series, I have picked it up once again, and I hope, fingers crossed, that it works out for me this time. So I keep making tiny sections, applying it to my scalp, and then I start making it into a tiny bun. You'll see each section I alternate the direction. Like one section I will wind it up in a clockwise direction, then the next section I will wind it up in an anti-clockwise direction. The reason for this is that it helps the hair bun stay better on my head, and the hair does not unravel with all this gunk in your hair, which is exactly what we don't want. Eggs contain a lot of protein and it's like providing fertilizer for your hair. Hair is made up of keratin, which is also a type of protein. Eggs support hair growth, restrict hair loss, enhance elasticity and shine of our hair, and help repair and improve the texture as well. Egg yolk contains sulfur, and sulfur is one of the building blocks for hair, as the keratin in our hair is high in sulfur content. So, as our hair grows in phases, which is growing phase and resting phase, providing sulfur kind of increases the amount of growing phase of our hair, which leads to longer hair in case that's what you want. Let's talk about yogurt. Yogurt also contains a lot of proteins, so it is very nourishing for the hair. Whatever is remaining in the bowl, I'm applying to the back of my head and taking a short dance break. The hair keeps falling in my face. Back to benefits of yogurt. And it also contains lactic acid, which helps clean the dead skin cells off of our scalp, which leads to better hair growth. Yogurt also has serious smoothing properties for your hair. Now I tie up the whole bun and cover it with a disposable shower cap. If you don't want to use a shower cap, use one of your grocery plastic bags. Reuse the plastic that you have. Doing this helps trap in the heat from your scalp and helps the hair absorb the nourishment from the mask better. I keep this on my head for an hour and then wash it off with a shampoo and conditioner. And this is the freshly washed result. My hair has a lot of highlight from when I got my hair highlighted 18 months ago. I haven't colored it after that, but the black hair that's growing from the root you can see is really shiny and healthy looking after this mask, and I really enjoy using this mask. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a great one. Bye.